Hey everybody, Matthew Morris, MM Wood Studio, and this is the finished modern coffee table, which means it's time for another shop update. All right, well check it out. The modern coffee table is done. I am so jazzed. It's great to have another project in the can finished. And all I need to do is start uploading the final edited videos from the first couple chapters, finish editing the rest of the chapters, and finish up the plans, get those up. There's lots of finishes there, isn't there? But nonetheless, it's in the can. I'm jazzed. So basically over the last week, I've just been putting finish on it, coat after coat after coat, building up 5 coats for the top, 4 for the bottom, and 4 on the legs. I'm sorry, 3 on the legs, 4 on the bottom, 5 on the top. Why do I do so many? Well, in between the 4th and the 5th, I do a light sanding and I do a very thin coat for the 5th, and that gets me a really nice, beautiful, smooth finish up on top. And honestly, I couldn't be any happier. This thing looks great. I can't wait to bring it upstairs. And as I said, I may have said before in the last update, I'm really jazzed about the design. I know it's simple, right? Just 4 pieces of wood for each leg, varying in width to match the shape of the slab. But when I was designing this class, I needed to figure out a way for all of you to, whatever slab you get, to be able to build this. And I went over and over and over designs and drawings, and finally it was like, duh, Matthew, kid strategy here, keep it simple, stupid, make it simple, easy to build. Not easy to build, but easy to customize legs is what I'm looking for. They're easy to customize. I can't wait to bring it upstairs and put it into the sitting area of the bedroom. And then I'll have 3 pieces done, 2 nightstands, and this all in the same set with more furniture to build the rest of this year. So that's it. Just want to do a quick update and show you how awesome this thing is looking. And hope you guys are doing well. So here's a couple pictures of what she looks like, and again, I couldn't be any happier. Thanks so much as always for watching. Let me know what you guys have been up to in the comments below, and as always, please subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. If you're watching this on Facebook, hit the like button and share in your timeline. If you're watching this on IGTV, give me a follow, hit that heart sign, that heart symbol there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But as always, have a great week in the shop.